In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ICT Killzones pivots in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine because we're just focusing on getting the indicator onto your chart. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is usually near the time frame and symbol, and it opens the main library of tools that TradingView provides. Go ahead and click on Indicators, and a new window or panel will appear over your chart. Inside this Indicators panel, you'll see different sections like built-ins, community scripts, and your favorites. At the top of this panel, there is a search box. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through a long list. Click once inside that search box to place your cursor there. Now you're ready to look up the specific indicator. Type in ICT Killzones pivots. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results in real time. You should see one or more indicators with names that include ICT Killzones pivots. Take a moment to hover over them and check the description or the author if that helps you identify the correct one. When you see the indicator you want, simply click on it. TradingView will instantly add it to your active chart. After you click it, close the indicators panel so you can view your chart clearly. You should now see the ICT Killzones pivots plotted directly on your chart. Depending on the default settings, this might show highlighted sessions or pivot markings that represent different kill zones throughout the trading day. If the chart looks a bit busy at first, don't worry. That's completely normal with session-based tools. If you want to adjust the way it looks, move your mouse over the indicator label at the top left of the chart, then click on the settings icon. This will open the inputs and style options for that indicator. Here you can toggle certain sessions on or off, change colors, or thicken the lines so they stand out better against your background. Spend a couple of minutes customizing it so it fits your personal trading style and is easy for you to read. To get the most out of this setup, make sure you are using TradingView Pro, since it gives you more indicators per chart and better layout options. You can find my affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks the full experience so you can run ICT Killzones pivots along with your other favorite tools on the same chart.